October 18, 2021, Jupiter's illusion of retrograde motion ends today. Arcturus is appearing in the morning sky along with Mercury. The planet pack, Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter, and the Moon are in the evening sky. Chart caption, 2021, October 18, Jupiter's westward motion against the distant stars is compared to its eastward revolution around the Sun. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 7:07 a.m. CDT, sunset, 6:04 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Jupiter's retrograde ends today. This illusion is from a faster moving Earth passing between the Sun and Jupiter. On the chart above, Earth and Jupiter are shown in their respective places on 3 key dates. June 21st, when Jupiter appeared to stop moving eastward compared to the stars. August 19th, Jupiter's opposition. Earth is between the Sun and the planet, and October 18th, when Jupiter seems to stop moving westward compared to the stars. As seen from high above Earth's north pole, the planets revolve around the Sun in a counterclockwise direction. As seen from our backyards, this is to the east. When retrograding compared to the stars, the outer planets seem to move westward. Note the 3 dates on the chart above. On June 21st, a line of sight runs from Earth through Jupiter and extends to A in the distant starfield. When Earth moves between the Sun and Jupiter, opposition, the extended line points to B. From A to B, the line of sight has moved westward, but Jupiter's movement around the Sun is eastward. On October 18th, when retrograde ends, the extended line points to C. From opposition to this point, Jupiter appeared to move farther westward compared to the stars, but was moving eastward around the Sun. During the time from A to C, Earth moved nearly 1/3 of the way around the Sun. Retrograde motion is the illusion from our faster moving planet passing the slower moving outer planets. Jupiter is at opposition, the middle of the retrograde interval, nearly every 399 days. Saturn is slower, and its opposition is every 378 days. The farther away from the Sun, the shorter the interval. Neptune's interval is nearly every 368 days. On the other hand, Mars is closer to Earth and it revolves around the Sun at less than twice, 1.88, the interval of our planet. The red planet's opposition is every 780 days. Saturn's retrograde ended over a week ago. It is moving slowly eastward against the distant star field. Saturn's eastward speed is slow. Jupiter does not appear to move much during the next several evenings. As it picks up eastward speed compared to the distant star field, Saturn closes to within 15.36 degrees on October 23rd. Jupiter picks up speed and moves farther away and catches the ringed wonder on November 5, 2040, the next great conjunction. Each year until then, both display the illusion of retrograde motion as our planet passes by. In addition to Jupiter's retrograde ending, Spica rises at sunrise this morning, known as its cosmic rising. By month's end, it is low in the southeastern sky before sunrise. Morning sky. Chart caption, 2021, October 18th, Mercury and Arcturus are low in the eastern sky before sunrise. The star Arcturus is making its first morning appearance as well as Mercury. Mercury is a binocular object, but brightening quickly, during the next several mornings. Find it about 8 degrees up in the east about 35 minutes before sunrise. At the same time, Arcturus is nearly 6 degrees up in the east-northeast. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2021, October 18th, Venus continues to step through Scorpius, appearing 2.6 degrees to the upper left of Antares. The bright Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus are in the evenings. The Moon is nearing its full phase. It is low in the east-southeast as night falls. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are to its upper right. As night falls, Venus is over 10 degrees above the southwest horizon. It is 2.6 degrees to the upper left of Antares, the rival of Mars, and 2.9 degrees to the upper right of Tau Scorpii, Tau SCO on the chart. Venus continues to step through Scorpius. As the sky darkens further, use a binocular to find the star field behind Jupiter and Saturn. The Moon's brightness this evening blots out the dimmer stars. By 2 hours after sunset, Jupiter and Saturn are low in the southern sky. Chart caption, 2021, October 18th, 2 hours after sunset, Jupiter and Saturn are in the south. Use a binocular to see the dimmer stars with the bright Moon. Jupiter is in eastern Capricornus. The 2 brighter stars, Deneb Algedi and Nishira. Saturn is in front of the stars of western Capricornus. It is to the lower right of Upsilon Capricornus, Upsilon Cap on the chart. Detailed daily note, Spica rises within a minute of sunrise this morning. Just one day after its solar conjunction, the star is at its cosmic rising. It makes its first appearance in the morning sky before month's end. 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is over 10 degrees above the southwest horizon, 2.6 degrees to the upper left of Antares, and 2.9 degrees to the upper right of Tau Scorpii, Tau SCO, m equals 2.8. Bright Jupiter is nearly 28 degrees up in the south-southeast, 15.4 degrees to the left of Saturn, m equals 0.6. The bright moon, 12.5d, 97%, is over 12 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. 2 hours after sunset, the moon is over 25 degrees up in the east-southeast. Jupiter is over 32 degrees up in the south. Its retrograde ended today and it resumes its eastward trek. The planet is 3.8 degrees to the lower right of Mu Cap, 2.1 degrees to the upper right of Deneb Algedi, and 1.4 degrees above Nishira. Saturn, nearly 29 degrees up in the south and west of the meridian, is 1.4 degrees to the lower right of Upsilon Cap. Use a binocular to see the star fields with the bright moonlight.